let's have a quick look at this. All right, derivatives rules explain. The derivative of a sum, all right, is over x. How do you go about this? Now, put this in a proper perspective. This y is equals to x raised to the power 3 divided by this x plus 3 x raised to the power 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by x, right? This goes into this. I have x raised to the power 2 plus 3x, then plus 2 over x is the same thing as 2 minus 1. Indices. This is the same thing as this. All right. With this, we can find the derivative now. dy dx. Find the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to 2x plus 3 minus 2x raised to the power minus 2. What do I have? I need to subtract 1 from here by the rule minus 2. Final answer 2x plus 3 minus 2 times 1 over x raised to the power 2. Indices, this minus becomes 1. All right, so I have 2x plus 3 minus 2 on 2 x raised to the power 2. Right, please like what we are doing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Let me solve another example under this, another question here. What if you have y is equals to root x plus 1 over root x minus 5? How do you go about this? Like I did with this, put this well. This means x raised to the power half plus 1 over x raised to the power half minus 5. Yeah, put it properly. We have half plus s raised to power, put it this way, half plus s raised to power minus half, minus 5. We can find the derivative of this stuff. dy dx of this is equals to bring down the power half s raised to power half minus 1 plus bring down the power minus half s raised to power minus half minus 1. Differentiating a constant is 0. So we have this is equals to, what do you have here? Half x, half minus 1 give us minus half. Minus, we have a half x out of minus plus minus is minus, half plus 1, like minus half minus 1 is equals to minus half minus 2 over 2, equivalent of 2 over 2 is equivalent of 1 there. So this gives us minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 3. So I have minus 3 over 2. All right. The final answer here, this is the same thing as 1 over 2 x raised to the power half, right? 1 over 2 s raised to the power, this one is 1, all right? So I have minus 1 over 2 x raised to the power 3 over 2. The minus sign becomes 1. Final answer. Final answer, I can say that dy dx is equals to 1 over 2 root x minus, we have 1 over 2 root x raised to the power 3. I hope this is simple, guys. Please like this. Don't forget to subscribe. At the comment section, your opinion is welcome. Thank you.